Tan Sri Datuk Muhyiddin bin Haji Muhammad Yassin, Timbalan Perdana Menteri dan Menteri Pelajaran Malaysia. Most privileged and grateful to be here at this congested, damaged, historical schoolyard of 70 years old, of course very hot. Together with our beloved Chief Minister, Yang Amat Muhammad Perhin Sri Abdul Taib Mahmud, Federal and State Cabinet Ministers, this tremendous occasion will be the most SMK Kuching High. We would like to extend our warmest and sincerest gratitude to the first private Chinese secondary school for the people in Kuching. In 1963, Persatuan Teochew Kuching decided to embrace the national education policy and converted this school into Sekolah Menengah Bantuan, or SMB Kuching High, and was subsequently renamed as Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan, or SMK Kuching High. The members of Teochew community have contributed not less than 8 million ringgit to this school for the building of additional school blocks, maintenance of the buildings and amenities, as well as annual allocation for the students' extracurricular activities and academic achievement awards. SMK Kuching High, in line with the government's national education policy, has successfully produced more than 11,000 excellent multiracial citizens with strong command of Bahasa Malaysia, English and Chinese. By quoting the Kuching High School experience as a perfect example, the positive and proactive cooperation between the Ministry of Education and the school board has enabled the whole rebuilding process to be carried out. Even with the substantial funding of 1.5 million ringgit from the ministry and thousands of generous donations from many others, we managed to collect a total amount of ringgit 4.3 million to date, which is still 2.1 million short of our target. We therefore would like to take this opportunity to sincerely appeal to our YB Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Education. Please further allocate in the year 2010 budget another 2.1 million for the rebuilding of SMK Kuching High. We will guarantee that all the 3 school blocks will be fully completed by the year 2011. To appeal to the Penggerak Pelajaran Sarawak to generously allocate the needed fund in the budget to furnish the equipment for the 6 science labs and 4 living skill workshops, which is completing in middle next year. Especially record a vote of thanks to the Federal Minister and State Ministers. You have rendered your support and assistance at any time without fail to all our generous donors and supporters. Thank you very much for your contribution in making this rebuilding project a reality. And join me in greeting our guests of honor. We rebuild Kuching High.
Terima kasih pengerusi acara majlis. Yang Amat Muhammad Tan Sri Dato' Haji Muhyiddin bin Haji Muhammad Yassin, Timbalan Perdana Menteri Malaysia merangkap Menteri Pelajaran Malaysia. Yang Amat Muhammad Perhin Sri Haji Abdul Taib Mahmud, Ketua Menteri Sarawak. Yang Berhormat Datuk Petinggi Tan Sri Afan Jabul, Yang Berusaha Encik Craig Eng Mong, Pengerusi Jawatankuasa.
That Malaysia is like one big salad bowl, each ingredient contributing to a great dish, so that every Malaysian, the more ingredients you have, the tastier the dish. The more colors you have, the more beautiful the dish. and that is Malaysia. There are 220 government-aided Chinese schools, 160 government-aided mission schools, and 14 Chinese independent schools in Sarawak. The Chinese and mission schools need. I know your concern, and I know that you are very sincere, just like our Prime Minister. Thank you again, Yang Muhammad, for helping us.